Let's take this into a moment of meditation and just breathe into the core of our being. There's something in Unity we call the hidden curriculum. And the hidden curriculum is that part of life that we may, on the surface, think is irrelevant or not being included in what we're consciously participating in or activating in. But what the hidden curriculum is the real work. It's not what we as separate sense beings plan for, but it's that aspect of life and Godness that knows the depths of our soul and what we're ready for, that knows the truth of our being and what we're called to, that knows the power of transformation and the power of our becoming, and that is at work like the shifting of the earth's core or the filament flying off the sun. The same very force that keeps the cosmos in order is ordering your life. Can we say yes? Can we say, bring it on? Can we take all of it and lean into love rather than fighting with the moment or calling something wrong? Because that's not my plan. That's not abundance. That's not my expansion. This isn't how I ordered my growth. I don't have the time. I don't have the money. I don't have the talent. I don't have the awareness, or do I? I don't need to know how. All I need to do is say yes and recognize that I am one with this universal flow of life we call God. That I live, move, and have my being within this Godness, and that I am infinitely supported. Inhaling and exhaling, let's breathe into letting go. I can let go of control. I can let go of my ideas for greater ideas, knowing that in truth, the greater ideas are my divine birthright. And the lesser ideas just keep me in limitation or suffering or lack. So here I am for 40 days of Lent, fasting from what no longer serves. Vigilant about my mind and what's in it. My body temple and how I treat it. My soul and how I honor it. We are supported. We are lifted. We are held. And we breathe this truth into the silence. Taking a deep inhale. And a complete exhale. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. Namaste.